शेयर के
Guys, very good morning to everyone. I hope you had a very good weekend yesterday. Right. Again, we are back with another session. Right. So yesterday was Sunday, and you had back to back so many CNTs. Right. And even I had a meeting in the evening yesterday. I hope you have seen that meeting video on Zoom and as well as on YouTube. Right. That meeting went very lengthy. It went to 1.5 hours. Right. So I hope you all have been learning from last. Today is the fifth day of the our meeting, right? I hope from last 4 days you have already learned about offers in detail. Yes or no? Right. Second thing we discussed about, right? First thing we discussed about offers and discounts and cashback, everything we discussed about the whole offers, what you get the whole offers. Second day we discussed something called as why to do consistency offer shopping and what is the benefit of doing consistency offer shopping itself. That was the second topic. Yes or no? Third day we discussed something called as we discussed how the follow-up six concept of follow-ups. Basics is called concept of follow-up. Yes or no? What exactly need to be done? Right. And the fourth day, last time, day for yesterday on Saturday, we discussed something called as presentation. How to deliver a presentation to someone. Yes or no? How to give a presentation. And also we discussed something called as follow-up, day one follow-up. Along with presentation, how to complete the presentation with a day one follow-up. At the end of the day, as you all know, it's just about the concept. If the guest understands the concept, he understood the plan. If he didn't understand the concept, he has never understood the plan. Yes or no? At the end of the day, the guest will ask you only one thing: what should I do? I understood everything of Vestige, but I didn't understood what should I do. If he's telling I didn't understand what should I do, means he understood nothing in Vestige. और आपने अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर लिया बंदे के साथ आपने उसको प्लान समझने आया ही नहीं बंदे को ऐसा नो so always you have to make sure that that person is getting to know what exactly need to be done ऐसा no so that should be your way of presentation and with the person can feel it and he can understand what exactly need to be done over there so that was the topics we have discussed till now right if anybody missing from your team you can just drop a message to them saying that the meeting has already started. Right. So if anybody had to join, they can join so that we can quickly start the session. We have totally 50 of them. Half a century has crossed, but usually 80 people come. So still 30 people are yet to be yet to come for the session. 52 happened now, 53, 54. Now the number is increasing. Yeah. So today's topic is going to be very interesting because I'll be talking about something called as performance bonus income. Why I took this topic today? Why? Because today's 7th. In next coming 3 days, you are going to get a paychecks. Yes or no? Some people don't even know what is my paycheck. On 10th, whenever they get the check, that is the moment where they get to know that what is going to be my paycheck. But I want you to know how exactly to calculate the paychecks. Yes or no? So as soon as your first gets done, on second one you should be knowing what is my income going to be on 10th of the month. Yes or no? So today we're going to discuss about something called as performance bonus income in detail, and also we're going to talk about something called as fast aid. Many people have a confusion. Sir, I thought I'll be getting fast aid voucher, but I never got, sir. But I did 282 PV, sir. There are sometimes certain terms and conditions in that. So that terms and conditions also we're going to discuss in detail. And the last thing, I'll be giving you some assignment. On spot, I'll be giving some assignment where you'll be calculating in a diary and you'll be giving the answer in the meeting. Let's see how many people are really going to learn today in the meeting and how many people are ready to do the calculations. Yes or no? Because if I don't give assignment, then whether you're learning or not learning, then we will not get to know na. Yes or no? If the assignments have been given, if you calculate an answer means you actually learn. If you're calculating and if you're not able to answer means you are not able to answer the questions. Yes or no? So everybody I requested to on your videos. Like I told, always the same story. हमें ये rap बनाना पड़ेगा हमें. We have to make a rap on this. Yes or no? If somebody knows to rap na, so that he can I'm giving you a good topic to wrap so that everybody follow this. Yes or no? Everybody follow this. As soon as right, as soon as you came in the Zoom, you have to do this follow things. ये करके आप एक ग्राफ बना दो. सब लोग फॉलो कर, सब लोग जबान पे आ जाएगा ना, तो अपने आप वो जाके एक परमानेंट दिमाग में बैठ जाएगा उनके. ऐसा हो. जब भी जूम में आएंगे तो ये चीजें हमें फॉलो करना बाय डिफॉल्ट. ऐसा हो. Right. Thank you so much. Right. So let's get started now because we have plus 70, 67 people now. Almost it's gonna cross now by 70, 80. Let's guys. So the topic of the day, I've already told you what I'm gonna discuss today. The three topics: performance bonus, condition, and assignment. Right. If any doubts, you can ask me after I end one topic. I'll be giving you time. Then you can ask me the questions. If you have any doubt, just type as doubt. If no doubt, just type as no doubt so that you can go with the further topic. Right. I'll be sharing my screen and you can just tell me whether my screen is visible to you or not. Once again, let me make somebody as co-host so that if something goes wrong, he can, yeah, cellophane, already done. Okay, Yakub is a co-host. Yeah, guys, I'll be sharing my screen. I hope my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, quickly. So today we're going to tackle something called as performance bonus. Yes or no? See, remember one thing. Whenever you join Vestige as a fresher, the moment you join Vestige, your two incomes get activated. First income is called as a retail profit. And retail profit you need not calculate. That will be on the order form. That's nothing but DP value. MRP something, DP. We get on DP, that's nothing but our retail profit. The company will decide that on which product, how much to be given the discount. Either 10% or 12%, 11%, how much percent, the company decide that. Minimum 10, maximum 20. That company decides on every different product. Company will choose what exactly the DP value they need to decide. That is company talk. So, sir, after I joined Vestige, my two income get activated. One is called my retail profit, that is called savings on the shopping. Second income is called as a performance bonus income. In performance bonus income, you have two types of income. One income is called as a cashback, self cashback. When you itself are doing the shopping, you get something called cashback. Yes or no? When I do shopping on my own ID, I get cashback based on my level, 8%, 10%, 11%, or 5%. Whatever your level are, based on your level, you get something called as cashback income. Apart from cashback, you have one more income called as a differential income in performance bonus only. When will you get that? That income will be given to you when you start making a network. If somebody joins your team, yes or no? Somebody comes in your network. If they are buying the products from there, if they are buying the products and the PV, what you get from there, how you get income from that. That's called team PV. One is called self PV cashback. Team PV, you get something called differential income. Did you got this? The moment you join Vestige, two incomes activated. One is called retail profit and performance bonus. In performance bonus, you get cashback when you just join, when you do shopping on your own. If you make people join and the people start doing the shopping from their IDs, you get something called as a differential income from the team PV. From the team PV, you are going to get that. Did you got this? Yes or no? Right. So let's come. Let's go and check the slab of performance bonus. On what levels the company gives me. The levels will be judged completely based on PV. It's not on turnover. It's not on money. It's on PV. Yes or no? I hope everybody knows 1 PV is equal to how much it is. 1 PV. How much is 1 PV? 1 PV is equal to 30 rupees. Approximately 30 rupees. On all the health supplement is going to be 30 rupees. On some few products are there. In the essentials, the PV might go to 32 rupees or the PV might go to 35 rupees. Or on rice bin oil, the PV might go to 40 rupees as well. Yes or no? Just on selected one or two products. But majority products of Vestige, you can see around like 90% of the product, the PV is exactly 30 rupees. You take agriculture product is exactly 30 rupees. You take any health supplement is exactly 30 rupees. Yes or no? You take skin from the land, mist of Milan product, it's exactly 30 rupees. The only the PV may vary in the food items where rice bran oil, yes or no, in that case, and your personal care. Personal care in a sense, your food item in a sense, your rice bran oil, your breakfast cereal. Yes or no? And in the personal care, your bathing soap, your like face soap, yes or no? And some of the other, like some few products, the PV will go up and down. But the remaining majority PVs are 30 rupees itself. So let's assume that a PV 30 rupees per PV. So these are the slabs, right? Percentage level slab it is. Okay? Your PV, minimum and maximum I've written over there. Minimum 1 PV, maximum 599 PV. So your level will be 5%. The moment you, and this is accumulated way, it is not just like every month you need to know, it is an accumulated way. Today, if your PV is 100, so you'll be at 5% level. Tomorrow you did around 600 PV. So next month next month you did 500 PV. So 500 plus 100 together 600. So by default you became 8% now. It's not like 600 only I should do on the whole, then only I'll be getting 8%. Not like that. 100 plus in an accumulated way, every time we get accumulated. So my PVs are between 1 to 599, I'll be called as 5% level. If my PVs are between 600 to 2399, I'll be called as 8%. If my PVs are between 2400 to 5499, I'll be called as 10%. If the PVs became 5000, 5500 plus, I'll be called as 11%. Did you got this? Yes or no? Did everybody got the slabs? How to see which slab you're coming in? Because you have to answer me the slabs now solely. So you should be very attentive. It is a calculative meeting, yes or no? Here you need to do something called calculations. Yes or no? So if you're not understanding, you might miss out something and you might miss out the flow. So calculation meeting it is. So income it is. So by default, you need to calculate the income. Yes or no? So your attention is very much important here. Yes or no? So thank you so much. So I think everybody understood the slabs. Let's take one general case now. Right, general case, this is the case. Now let's see how many people will answer me. Who is at which level? Example, I joined. I did 100 PV shopping. I opened 6 different legs. In my leg number 1, he did 100 PV shopping. In his leg number 2, total PV is 600 PV. Leg 3, 1000 PV. Leg 4, 2400 PV. Leg 5, 4500 PV. And leg 6, 5501 PV. You tell me leg 1 is at which level? Leg 1 comes in which slab? 5%, 8%, 10%, 11%. So majority people are telling 5%. Absolutely right. Leg 2 comes in which slab? 8%. Perfect. Leg 3 comes in which slab? 8% only. Absolutely right. Leg 4 comes in 10%. Correct. Leg 5 also comes in 10%. Leg 6 comes in the 11%. So I hope you got your answers now. 5, 8, 5, 8, 5, 8, 8, 10, and 10 and 11. I hope now you got the clarity how to give the percentage to the people, yes or no. And one thing where many people go wrong, they might tell, sir, I am at 8%. Sir, my downline also at 8%. But below the front, like one more person is there. He's at 5%. Sir, will I get performance bonus from that? Yes or no? So many people will have this confusion. Na? I am there. Below me, one person is 8%. Below him, one more person is there, 5%. So I am 8, he's 5. Will I get his performance bonus as like money over there? So guys, you need to remember one thing: your front leg level matters you for all the time. Yes or no? For your front leg, his downline front leg will matter for him. Yes or no? Right. I hope you are able to get this. Example: if somebody was below him, this person called 1. If I just take a rough calculations here, below 1, if I make somebody join here, a 7%, he's at 5. He's at example. Let me take here a person called 7 join here. He's at 5%. He's at 8%. You might ask me, will I get income from this 5% extra? So for you, always the front leg matters a lot. I hope you all got this. So whenever you want to judge your levels, you have to judge your levels only from the front leg, not from the downline leg. All because PVs are getting accumulated. So your downline PV has already got it accumulated with the front leg. So only the front leg person has got 8% level. I hope you got this question. Yes or no? So many people will have this confusions in the performance bonus. Right. So fine. Then moving on further, as I told you, self PV is total cashback. Self PV, you get flat cashback. Flat. In self PV, you get flat cashback. Flat. Okay. So that there is nothing called differential in that. Example: I am at 11%. So 11 minus 0 is equal to 11 only. So what is the self PV? 100. 100 into 11%. Percent mother 11 divided by 100 is equal to 0.11. Into 18. Sir, why 18? since this money is this is in the PV, we need to convert the PVs into income. So you always need to multiply by 18. I hope you got this. Why should I multiply always by 18? Because first we are converting the money into PV, and now we are converting the PV into money again. So always we need to multiply by 18. 18 is called as BV, business volume. So we don't take that word BV. Why? Because many people will get confusion. What is PV, BV? So we always say PV and we just multiply 18 so that the confusion will not come. What is BV and what is PV? Yes or no, guys? Right. So the year it is. So into 18 in a sense, that is called your BV it is. So we always need to multiply. For India, it is 18. If you go for Dubai it will be 28. For different countries that will vary. Why? Because the currency factors varies. Yes or no? The currency vary, na? Yes or no? In every current country, the currency varies. In India, it is 18. If you go for Dubai, if anybody does shopping in Dubai from your team, then you need to multiply by 28 over there, not 18. Right? Because you get paid based on Dubai currency. Yes or no? Right. So that's a different topic. When we take the Dubai plan, that time we'll discuss. So as of now, you can just think about 18. Let's think about Indian money. Okay. For Nepal also, so that will vary. For Nepal, Bangladesh, for every country that will vary. The multiplication factor at last BV will definitely vary for different countries because the currency varies from different countries. That's the reason that varies. So here it is 18. Let's take for Indian currency, it is 18 rupees. So 30 rupees we are paying to company. In 30 rupees, company is giving back us 18 rupees. 30 rupees you are buying on PV and company is giving back 18 rupees to us. In the remaining 12 rupees only company is operating. In the remaining 12 rupees, company is manufacturing the products, company giving you the courier service, company as running the officers, company managing the employees, company managing the trainers, company giving you all the service. From just 20, from the 12 rupees only, company gives you all the services. In the 12 rupees only, company paying all the taxes and everything. I hope you got this now. On sell PV, you need not minus with anything. That always you get flat cashback. If your level is 5%, you get 5% flat cashback. If your level is at 8%, you get 8% flat cashback. 10% flat cashback. 11% flat cashback. So there's nothing called difference in that. So difference will never be there in that. That was self PV. I hope you got this now. Cashback is self. You always get the flat. Next, come to the topic now. Team differential income now. Example, my leg one is at 5%. I'm at which percent? 11%. So how will I get? I get paid in a different way. Difference matlab, example can see. Leg one, my level is 11%. My downline level is 5%. 11 minus 5, 6%. So I get 6% of the income from the leg one. From leg one, here it is always leg-wise business. Don't add the total PV. No. Always take leg by leg. Yes or no? Leg one, how much PV it is? 100 PV. So 100 PV into 6%. Why? Because 11 minus 5, 6%. 6% is the difference what I get because it is a differential income. You're at 11%. Minimum your effort is at 5%. 11 minus 5, 6%. 6% income you get from the downline one. Yes or no? From leg one. So into 18, your income is 108 rupees from leg one. I hope you got this now. What is leg one? How you get performance bonus from the leg one. Moving on further with the leg two. Leg two is at which percent level? 8%. You're at 11%. So what happened? 11 minus 8. 3% income you get from leg two. Yes or no? 3% income you get from the leg two. Yes or no? And how much PV he has done there totally this month? Here you need to take the actual PV, current PV, not the accumulated PV. Just to check the level, accumulated PV. While calculating the income, actual PV, double PV also will not be considered. Double PV or the accumulated PV will be taken only for the level increment. Yes or no? For the level increment, for the income to get paid, you always get on the current month and actual PV. I hope you got this. So current month he paid 600 PV business he has done. So 11.8%, 11.83%. So 3% income I'll get on 600 PV. 600 into 0.03 into 18. So my income will be 324 rupees from that leg number 2. I hope you got this. Leg number 3. If you come to leg number 3 is also at 8% only. So 11 minus 8, 3%. 1000 PV did into 3 per 18, 540 rupees is my income from the leg number 3. Yes or no? So similar way, leg number 4. Leg number 4 is a 10% now. 11 minus 10, 1%. 2400 PV into 0.01 into 18. I get 432. I get 432 rupees from the leg number 4 because the percent difference gap is very small. I'm just getting 1% income from that. Yes or no? Similar way, if you go with leg number 5, 11 minus 10, 4500 PV it is. 4500 PV into 0.0 into 18, my income is 810 rupees. My income is 810 rupees. I hope you got this now. What is self PV cashback? What is team differential PV income? How will I get? Yes or no? Right. And you can add one more case here. This guy, leg number 6, 5500 PV. So 11% it is. So you at 11%, he's also at 11%. So leg number 6, 11 minus 11 is 0. So you get no performance bonus from that leg. But you start getting something called as LOB and trial fund with the start. We start as you become a silver director now. Why? Because you become somebody became 11% is nothing but bronze director, and the minimum condition to be maintained is 2000 PV, and this guy has become 11% with 2000 PV. So by default he'll be called as a bronze director for the month. So by default he'll be getting a performance bonus. You'll not get the performance bonus from that person like ever. Somebody became 11%, but they're not maintaining the bronze director level. Still, you will not get the performance bonus. Why? Because 11 minus 11 is always 0. So for permanently from that leg, your performance bonus is 0. Getting not? Right. So what happens? So I always say one thing, performance bonus is the least income what you get. Performance bonus is the least income what you get in Vestige. So never see your performance bonus check. Your real money starts the moment you become director. Till performance bonus, it is like a net practice. So your income will be ranging in 2000, 3000, 5000 is the max. Your income may not cross 5000 and above in performance bonus. Right. If you see all the difference, if you're doing totally your self PV only, that moment your performance bonus may go to 10,000 rupees. Yes or no? If I'm doing 5500 PV from my self PV only totally, so I get 5500 PV into 11% directly. So by default, that money will be bigger. Yes or no? So performance bonus is the least income what you get invested, and many people don't understand it. That's the reason why they quit. That's the reason why they quit, because they never understood the game itself. Yes or no? If I take the total director bonus for this income, the director bonus only may be around 10,000-15,000 rupees. For this entire PV, if I calculate the director bonus, it might go to 12,000 to 15,000 rupees. But people didn't have patience. He was about to become director, but he quit before the director itself. So always remember one thing, performance bonus is the least income. Never give up in the raise of performance bonus. Never see your check of 100 rupees, 200 rupees and become demotivated and quit. No, never do that. If you're becoming demotivated and you're quitting, then you're doing a big mistake yourself. Because everybody who started, somewhere or the other, the first month income was 100, 200 rupees only. Yes or no? And after 1 year, the income went to 1 lakh. The income went to 2 lakh. If that guy would have quit up, if you were like quitted in the first month only, he wouldn't have been able to reach to 1 lakh rupees income. Yes or no? So you need to have patience in the business. And the main problem starts where? When you're operating only one leg. The problem with the people that they never earn money. Even if they might do 10,000 PV, still the check is 0. Why? Because you're operating only one leg. 11 minus 11 is always 0. Because you and a dollar percentage same, you always get 0. And you just get on your performance bonus will be your income. Your self PV only will be the income. Remaining nothing you'll get from that. I hope you got this now. And one more problem where you face this level. 11% minus 10%. You get only 1%. Yes or no? There also you might become demotivated. Sir, I'm doing 2,400 PV, sir, but my income is 400 rupees only. Sir, I'm doing 5,500 PV, sir, but my income is 800 rupees. What, sir, this is? You're about to become a director now, but you might get negative over there. You might quit over there. This will happen only when you run only one leg. So we always recommend people start with 3 legs minimum. If you can manage, start with 6 legs directly, no problem. 6 leg or 3 leg minimum. Minimum 3 leg, maximum 6 leg. So never start with 1 or 2 leg. That's the problem. Where your performance bonus income will be very small. If I was having 6 legs, you can see if I add up the total income now of 6 legs also. Now you can see my maybe my performance bonus might touch around like 1.7k to 2,000 rupees. that moment I might feel motivated. Na, chalo yaar, I'm able to earn a good handsome income from Vestige. Yes or no? So only I recommend always the people start with 3 legs minimum or maximum go with 6 legs. Never start with 1 leg. The people who are operating only 1 leg, they'll be always into a loss. They'll be always into a loss. Why? Because 1 leg will be operating, so performance will also be lesser. If somebody become director, they need to maintain side leg, but they don't have any side leg only. So that's the reason why they fail and they quit business, because they never operated in a systematic way. They just operated their own way. Yes or no? So never work on 1 leg. Always work with minimum 3 leg or maximum 6 leg. I hope now you got to know why should I open minimum 3 to 6 legs, so that I can never have an issue. I can never have a problem in this. Yes or no? But but majority people don't understand this. That's the reason why they get more PV and they complain, sir, I'm getting lesser check. It's not about the complaint what you're doing. The problem is that you never understood the business at all. We never told to operate 1 leg. We always recommend 3 legs. We always recommend 6 legs. Then why you going with 1 leg? If you're having 1 leg only means then you are the laziest person. Why? Because you're just depending on your downline for everything. You're not doing anything from your side. If you were doing from your side, you would have opened a second, third leg. You are the laziest person in the network marketing business. You're the laziest person. Why? Because you're completely depending on the downline. And the downline is doing all the work, and you're telling, sure, I am doing, but I'm not getting. But the fact was you did nothing there. Your downline did all the work over there. So only he was getting better check, you're not getting a check over there. Why? Because you are a lazy person. Yes or no? No, sir, I'm not lazy. But you may tell you're not lazy, but the structure will speak the truth. What exactly it is, whether you're lazy or whether you're what. If you're operating only 1 leg means you're the laziest person. If you're operating only 1 leg means you're doing nothing daily. आप कुछ activity नहीं कर रहे हो आप. You're completely depending on the downline. Yes or no? Right, and that is completely wrong. Right. Imran ji, you're very late. Right. So that is called percentages. 0.6, nothing but 6% it is. 6 by 100, how much it is? 6 divided by 100 is 0.06. Simple it is. Right. So 6% into 18. 3% into 18. 3% 18. 1% into 18. 11% minus 10% is equal to 1%. 1% nothing but 1 divided by 100 is equal to 0.01. I hope you got this now. What are the multiplying factor? That was the difference percentage level. So the least income is called performance bonus. So never get frustrated by seeing your performance bonus income. So only we tell people become director. All your hard work is only till director. After director, you never your hard work also will be less and income also will be better. So only we say if the time versus money graph na in network marketing, always the 6 months journey is toughest. But majority people quit in 6 months only. That's the reason why they don't understand the business. The guy who understood the business, na, he will never quit in 6 months. Because he understood in next coming 6 months, my income is going to be small only. So let me focus on how to become director. Let me focus on learning the business. After 6 months, the moment I become director, that's the moment I'll be starting the real game. How in the cricket match, now the first you do net practice, then you go and play in the field. You not directly go and play on the field. No, yes or no? Similar way, your performance bonus income is nothing but your net practice. The moment you're ready with the net practice, now you can face on the ground and you can blast the runs. Yes or no? That's the reason how can you earn the money from there. I hope you got this. Not only in Vestige, you go to any company, in every company, the starting income will be very, very less only. Yes or no? You go to any company, every moment the starting paycheck will be very less only. But as the paycheck will increase, as your level get increase simultaneously. Yes or no? Right. Example, when you play a cricket, when you play a game, na, starting levels will be very easy. Yes or no? But as your level keep increasing, the difficulty will start increasing. But in network marketing, it is opposite. Starting is very much difficult. As your level increases, it becomes much simpler, easy for you. Why? Because in network marketing, you need not do anything extra. Same thing you do repeat again and again. Yes or no? Right. So similar thing. So starting levels are difficult till you understand the game, till you learn how to play the game. The moment you learn to play the game, na, then it will be like आपके बाएं हाथ का खेल हो जाएगा वो. Yes or no? आपके बाएं हाथ का खेल हो जाएगा. तो उसके लिए आपको जाके पहले बिजनेस समझना पड़ेगा, सीखना पड़ेगा. बहुत सारे लोग जाके समझते नहीं, उसे क्विट कर देते हैं, बाद में बोलते हैं नौकरी अच्छी थी करके. बाद में क्या बोलेगा, नौकरी जब एक बंदा नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग करेगा, वो आगे बढ़ जाएगा, तब एक दे रिग्रेट काश मैं नेटवर्किंग कर लेता, तब तो वो देर हो चुकी है, ऐसा नो। सो यू नीड टू हैव अ बिजनेस माइंडसेट, दैट्स मेन इंपॉर्टेंट। बिजनेसमैन बनना आसान है, ऐसा नो, बिजनेसमैन बनना बहुत आसान है, मगर बिजनेस माइंडसेट लेके आओगे तो। वो सालोग क्या करते हैं, बिजनेस करना है मेरे को, मगर बिजनेस माइंडसेट कभी लेके आते हैं, जॉब माइंडसेट लेके आते हैं। आई वांट क्विक मनी, आई वांट फास्ट मनी, ऐसा नो, बट क्विक मनी फास्ट मनी इट जस्ट इन द वर्ड्स, बट रियलिटी वो नहीं होगा। Success is not so easy to get. There is a price tag. You need to pay the price tag. Until and unless you don't pay the price tag, success will never come to you. Success is not so easy to achieve. ऐसा हो, राइट, ऐसा नो। तो लोगों को लग रहा है कि हम लोग पैसा कमा रहे हैं, लोगों को नहीं पता है कि हमने कितनी मेहनत की वो पैसा कमाने के लिए, और आज भी कितनी मेहनत करें वो हमें पता है, ऐसा नो। जैसे आपने एक पिक्चर देखा ना कि एक सर्कस में जाओगे आप, व्हेन यू गो टू अ सर्कस, ऐसा नो, यू माइट सी, अरे व्हाट सच अ गुड मैजिक इट इज, कितना जल्दी कर दिया बंदे ने। वो बंदे को पता है कितने हजारों बार प्रैक्टिस किया बंदे ने परफेक्शन लाने की, उस परफेक्शन तक रीच होने के लिए कितने बार वो बंदे ने प्रैक्टिस किया, वो खुद बंदे को पता है, ऐसा नो। आई कैन गिव यू वन मोर गुड एग्जांपल। You might seen something called digital convention on YouTube. Yes or no? The people who recorded the videos, they know to make a video 1 minute, how much they struggled. To record one video 1 minute, they spoke at least for 15 to 20 times they spoke. तब जाके वो 1 मिनट में परफेक्शन आया, ऐसा हो। उसी तरह से एक बार करने से आप चीजों का आपको टाइम, जब पहली बार करो ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा आपको, जैसे आप बार बार करते रहोगे तो उसमें परफेक्शन आएगा, जैसे परफेक्शन आएगा तो अपने आप आपका जाके growth आना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। I hope you are able to catch my words now. Yes or no, guys? So starting it is very slow, but the moment you start getting perfection, the things will become the things will become absolutely good and faster. So until you get perfection, you need to have what? You need to have a bit of patience. Yes or no? I hope you got the performance bonus income now. Yes or no? How exactly the performance bonus? See here. Now note. Same level, then the difference income is 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 8 minus 5, 8 minus 8, 0. 11 minus 11 is 0. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. ऐसा हो, जहाँ पे 10 minus 10 0 रहेगा, 11 minus 11 0 रहेगा। This is possible only when you have one leg. आप एक leg पर चल रहे हो, तो this will be your condition. If you're operating multiple legs, this will never be your condition. So always operate multiple legs. Did everybody got performance bonus now? If anybody has any doubt in the second point, self PV is always paid based on the level forever. Matlab whatever your level is on that flat, you get paid. If you have 5%, you get 5% cash back. 8, you get 8. 10, you get 10. 11, you get level on that. Did you got this, guys? If you have any doubts on performance bonus, you can ask me. If anybody has doubt, you can type as doubt. I'll unmute you. You can ask me your doubt on performance bonus income. In at last, I'll be giving you some calculations structures. You need to calculate live. Yes or no? If anybody has doubt, you can just type as doubt in the chat box so that I can check. If anybody has doubt, I'll unmute you so that you can ask any doubt in the self PV, cashback, and performance bonus differential income. If you have any doubts in this topic, you can ask me. If no, we'll go on further with the fast aid topic. I hope now everybody got to know what is performance bonus. This clarity will come only when you do the calculations, which I'll be giving you some structures. Yes or no? Right. Sir, 0.7. I never took anywhere 0.7. There is nothing called 0.7 here. Okay, Mohammed Hussain, you have a doubt. So Mohammed Hussain, I'll be unmuting you. You can just ask me. Yaqub, you can just do that back end work for me. Somebody call Mohammed Hussain. You said you can just unmute him.
Yes, sir. Doing, sir.
Yeah, you can just help me with the back end work. Unmute him and put him on spotlight.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Spotlight. Yes, Hussain, you go ahead. What is the doubt?
सर कैशबैक सर,
क्या बोले?
कैशबैक सर, कैशबैक।
कैशबैक इज वेरी सिंपल. सेल्फ पीवी आपने कितना किया, आपने सेल्फ पी किया 100 पीवी, आपका लेवल क्या 8%, तो आपको 8% फ्लैट मिलेगा कैशबैक. 100 पीवी इंटू 0.08 इंटू 18 आपका कैशबैक. आपका लेवल 11% रहेगा तो आपको डायरेक्टली फ्लैट कैशबैक मिलेगा. आपको आपने कितना पीवी किया, आपने 40 पीवी किया, 40 इंटू 11% इंटू 18 आपका कैशबैक. हमेशा आपको फ्लैट मिलता रहेगा. Whatever जो भी आपका लेवल रहेगा वो आपको हमेशा फ्लैट मिलता रहेगा. There's nothing called difference in that because nobody is there to get difference over there because आप अकेले हो और आपकी टीम का आएगा तो डिफरेंस आ जाएगा. सेल्फ कर रहे हो तो बाय डिफॉल्ट आप 100 लेना पड़ेगा आपको. ऐसा नो.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Right. I hope आपका डाउट क्लियर हो गया. If anybody else have a doubt in the chat box, I think nobody has. Somebody running 100 into 18 by 8. Why it is 18 by 8? There is nothing called 18 by 8. Acha, you mean to say 8 divided by 100 into 18. Now that also right. 8% cashback. 8% cashback will be 144 rupees. I hope you guys got this now. Right. So I think सब लोगों को समझ में आ चुका है कि what exactly the cashback and the performance bonus income. I will be giving you some structures. In the structures you get, if you calculate and tell, that is the moment you actually learn. If you're not calculating and telling means you actually didn't learn it. Yes or no, guys? Okay. So let's move on further with the fast trade now. What exactly fast trade is? What is the conditions of fast trade? When you get voucher, when you don't get voucher, and what are the terms and conditions on that? So that from today onwards, you will not have any confusions on cashback and also on the performance bonus income. Yes or no, guys? Okay. So all this document is clear. Yeah. Moving on further with the fast trade. Now see, why did company introduce something called fast trade? Why did company launch fast trade? अब सब बहुत सारे लोगों के मन में सवाल रहेगा, सर व्हाट ये क्यों कंपनी लॉन्च किया फास्ट ट्रेड? लेट मी टेक द जनरल केस नाउ. ठीक है. केस नंबर 1, आप यहाँ पे हो, आपने किया 100 पीवी, आपका एक बंदा आ गया डाउनलाइन 10, इसने किया 100 पीवी. So by default he's on slab 1 for 5% level. The person number 2 he did 50 PV, 5% level. The person number 3 did 50 PV, he's also 5% level. So what is your level now? What is your total PV? Your total PV is 100 plus 50 plus 50 plus the self PV is equal to 300. If 300 PV, what is your level? 300 PV का level कहाँ आएगा? Level आएगा 5%. Yes or no, guys? 300 PV will come in the range of 1 and 599. That's equal to 5%. Correct with this? Clear with this? Yes or no? So what happened in this case? Case number 1. Yeah. You are at 5% level. And your downline is also at 5% level. So team difference income क्या हो जाएगा आपका? 5 minus 5 is always 0. You may tell, sir, I'm making people join. Even if they are doing shopping, I'm not getting paid only. I'm making second people join. He is 50 PV. I'm getting paid 0. Third person, I'm still getting paid 0. Why? Because my level and his level is one and the same. 5 minus 5 0. For not to make your check 0, because company understands your hard work in the beginning. Yes or no? To not to make your check 0, what company did? If you want to make if you want to reach 8%, you need to do 599 PV. So do one thing. We will give you something called as fast trade. Fast trade means 282 PV itself. So you need not do 600 PV. If you are doing within a month, you can do with 282 PV. Directly, the company will give you the level of 8%. Now what happens? Since the company gave you 8% level, now you can see you are at 8% and the downline is at 5%. Now the difference is 3%. So you get differential income very easily now. Did you got this? Did you got this, guys? Why did company launch something called fast trade? क्यों company ने launch किया fast trade? So not to make your check 0, company ने क्या किया? आपको fast trade का एक chart दे दिया so that your level got 8%, your downline was 5%, so your difference is always maintained. And you will get the money for what hard work you did. And not only that much, company, apart from giving a cashback income, company gives you a one more gift because you did something extraordinary work. And company gives you something called as 750 rupees free product voucher. Your income may be around like 100 rupees or like 150 rupees. Yes or no? But company understand that since you did lot of hard work in the beginning, but your income may be 100 rupees. Yes or no? You might feel very much demotivated. I made 3 people join. I did 8,000, 9,000 business. I'm getting only 200 rupees income. So company tells, don't worry. We will give you an extra gift from our side in an appreciation way. We give you 750 rupees free product voucher where you can buy products of company choice. Company will give you 750 rupees free products of their thing. Yes or no? So overall, if I see your check is not 200 rupees. 200 plus 750. Your check is actually 950 in the first month. Just by doing 282 PV, your check is 950 rupees. product plus income together. I hope you got this now. Yes or no? And fast trade is possible. Example, can add his PV. 300 PV it is, total PV. It is more than 282 PV. So by default, you become fast trade. And you get 750 voucher plus company gives something called Champions Batch. Champions Day batch. On every month, second of the month, there's something called Champions Day. But now company has changed it to Champions Day plus Consistency Day. Company celebrating the people who are serious in the business. They will put their orders on the second of the month, and they are called as consistency holders, and they are the serious business builders. यार, ऐसा नो, राइट? मतलब उन्होंने अपनी मंथ की शुरुआत पहले दिन से तैयारी स्टार्ट कर दी बंदे ने. ऐसा नहीं कि 12 तारीख हो जाने तो बाद में सोचे क्या करना है. पहले दिन से बंदा काम पे लग गया कि मेरे को ये मंथ पे मेरे को बड़ा बिजनेस करना है. ऐसा नो, तो डे 1 से काम चालू करना बहुत जरूरी होती है. ऐसा नो, so they will be giving you a tag called Champions Day plus Consistency Day. Since you become fast trade, company give you a batch of Champions Day. I hope so many people have got the batches. Since in the lockdown, company is not organizing the Champions Day offline. It is organizing something called digital way. So we are taking an initiative to give you all the batches, or we are giving you the that appreciation what company used to give you before. I hope you got this now. Why did company launch something called fast trade? Why did company launch fast trade? And what is the benefit and what is the need of fast trade? Did you got this, guys? ऐसा नो, तो बेसिक बात समझ में आ चुकी है ना कि फास्ट ट्रेड बनने के लिए हमें क्या होना है. पहला कंडीशन 282 पीवी हमें करना है. 282 पीवी हमें करना है. Somebody asking me how much cashback will I get? I will not give you the answer. In fact, you should give me the answer now because I already taught you, all right, how to calculate the cashback and the difference income. So Harishji, I request you to give me the answer on what will be the cashback on 300 PV. Right. So I hope you guys got it. The basic case of fast trade. But what is the terms and condition and the basic case of fast trade? The basic cases, you have to just be 282 PV you have to do, and 7 rupees voucher you will get. So benefit of fast trade is two things. One is called level increment. Second thing called voucher you get. 7 rupees free voucher you get. That's it. These are the two benefits of fast trade. One is level increment. Second is that you get 750 rupees का free voucher मिल जाएगा आपको. Did you got this, guys? What is fast trade? This was a general case. Let's go on to the advanced case now. Case number 2. Case number 2. Sir, I made one person join, and the person was very dedicated, and the person was very he was faster than me. Yes or no? Sir, he also did 282 PV, sir. Sir, so by default his PVs are added to you also. Yes or no? So आपका भी हो गया 282 PV. इस बंदे का भी हो गया 282 PV. So you both of them are 8% level now. You also become 8. You also become 8. Understood this? So you both got the same level. Sir, voucher किसे मिलेगा? Voucher उसे मिलेगा जो बंदा really deserving करता है voucher लेने के लिए. Who did the work? Example, let me assume this leg nobody is there. Example, let me assume this leg of yours. Let me assume this leg nobody is there. ये निकाल दो आप. This completely you remove. What is the case now? You're operating with only one leg, and the downline doing all the work. He got 282 PV. So by default, being upline, you enjoy the benefits of getting PV. So you also got 282 PV. He also got 8%. You also got 8%. But income will be 8.80. Why? Because you have only one leg. Yes or no? And who will get the voucher, sir? And the voucher will be given to the person who is actually deserving. Yes or no? So he did actually fast trade. So company will here you and one both are at 8%. But the voucher will be given to a person called one, not for you. You will not get the voucher, but the person in a downline will get the voucher. Sir, I also want the voucher, sir. क्या करना है मेरे को? Then company बोलती है कि आप हमें proof करो कि आपने भी मेहनत किया. You prove us back that you also have actually worked hard over there. How can I prove that? Company will tell, except your leg 1, from where the people have become fast trade, except that leg, from the side leg, including a self PV, you show us 282 PV. Then we will give you the voucher for you also. Even we'll give the voucher to your downline also. For both, we'll give the voucher. Example, see now. Case number 1, if I remove all this PV, only one leg, your downline will get the voucher, but both will get the level. In case number 2 here, Now both of them will get the voucher. How? Because in the side leg, I made a person called 2 join. I made a person called 3 join, and they did 50 PV. And even I had my self PV of like thing, and my overall PV is 282 PV. So including a self PV will be always counted in the side leg, in the exclusive PV. So overall it's 282 PV. So your downline right. So you also become fast rate over there. तो आपको भी जाके fast rate का voucher मिल जाएगा. Did you got this basic condition? Umar, you have patience. I have case 3 and case 4 also. In the case 3 and case 4 also, I'll be explaining the further conditions. This is the first condition. My leg 1 become fast state. If I want to get voucher, I should show from the side leg 282 PV. If I show 282 PV, I will be called as voucher. I also get the voucher. Even my downline also will get the voucher. Both of them will get the voucher. This is the case 1. Let's move on further with the case 2. Sir, I did. Sir, this is the special case. Sir, we'll do one thing, sir. Why should I take all this headache, sir? एक काम करता हूँ, मैं directly खुद ही 282 PV कर लूँगा, sir. Tension ही नहीं मेरे को. I don't make anybody join. I only will buy all the products of 282 PV. So will I get fast trade? Yes, definitely you will always get fast trade because you already having 282 PV as a self PV. Yes or no? You get 8% level, you get voucher also, you get everything. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Now leg number 4 here. Yes or no? Right. Case number 4. Sir, 2 of my downline did fast trade. Leg 1 also 282 PV. Leg 2 also 282 PV. So what is about my level? You, as I told you, level will be given to you automatically. But voucher, it is all the game of voucher. But the voucher will not be given to you. Why? Because your downline did that. So downline will get the voucher. If you want the voucher, then from the side leg, you need to show 282 PV. From the third leg or fourth leg or whatever leg, yeah. Sir, if I don't have the third leg, on a self PV, if you do 282 PV, you get voucher. Getting or not? I hope you got this. Here, you 1 and 3 all are fast trade, but 1 and 2 will get the voucher. You will not get the voucher. Understood this? Yes or no? I hope you are able to get it. A bit confusing when you read the document, when you go through it one more time properly, that's very easy for you. Case number 5, a special case. Sir, all my 3 downline became fast trade. He was only 282. He was only 282. Even he was only 282, sir. Now what should I do, sir? Will I get the voucher or not? Will I be called fast or not? Now you need not open 4th leg, 5th leg, 6th leg, not required. Yes or no? Now company will call you as a super fast trade, and company will give you 1,000 rupees voucher now. Why? Because you help people with 3 people to get fast trade. So you will get 1,000 rupees voucher, but your teammates will get a 750 rupees voucher each. Yes or no? So only I always say start with 3 legs minimum, so that 8% level also can achieve easily, and you can get fast trade voucher as well easily. Or if 3 down also become fast trade, don't worry, you are super fast trade. So 1,000 rupees का आपका check बनेगा by default. In terms of product, your check will be 1,000 rupees, and downline checks will be 750 rupees का उनको voucher मिल जाएगा. Did you got this, guys? I hope you all got the conditions about case 1. You can just go through this case 1. Just go through it. Just go through it. The basic conditions and what are the benefit of getting fast trade. Revise. Parvezi, you can ask me the doubt later. I hope you got this case 1, and case 2 you can just go through it quick. If somebody becomes faster, then what should I do to get voucher? Level, so you will get by default, but it is a game of voucher now. Will I get voucher or not? There you can cross check when you will get voucher, in which condition you will get voucher, and which condition you will not get voucher. That is what I'm actually explaining you over here. I hope you got the case number 2 now. Case 3, special case, very rarely it is. If you want fast trade voucher at always, then just do 282 PV from self only. If downline didn't become also, there's no headache. You will always get. Why? Because you already crossed the limit, 282 PV. And self PV will be taken in the side leg. So always you'll definitely get fasted voucher. There's no doubt about that. Case number 3. Case number 4. If 2 people become fasted, then what to do? If 2 people become, that is a condition. I hope you got this now. If 3 people become sir, then what will happen? This will happen. Special case. Where 1,000 rupees voucher you will get and 70 rupees voucher the team will get. When I started my Vestige journey, I did super fasted voucher. I got 1,000 rupees voucher and my team got 70 rupees voucher they got. Right. So I became 14% directly and my friend 3 lakhs people were more than 282 PV. So by default, they also got, I got super fasted voucher. Yes or no? So even you can get it. So always remember, start with 3 legs. Don't start with 1 or 2 legs. Start with 3 legs. So you always will maintain your levels and you can enjoy all the benefits. So go with company system. So I hope you got this now. Let's move on further now. The special cases now. Special case. Sir, first month, my total PV is 200. Even for next month, am I eligible for Fast 8 or not? To earn 750 rupees free voucher. Yes, sir. What do you think? Are you eligible or not? Sir, first month I joined, sir. Sir, I joined very late in the month, sir. 5 days before the month closing, I joined, sir. I did totally 200 PV only, sir. I was not able to do 82 PV more. Sir, is it like injustice now, sir? Because some people joined earlier and they had more time to become Fast 8, but I had very less time to become Fast 8 now, sir. Is it right or wrong? Yes or no? So somewhere or the other, you might feel that, Are yaar, I just joined and I didn't got my Fast 8. I could have got. What do you think now? In the next month, are you eligible or not? Are you eligible for Fast 8 in the next month or not? Company understands you. That's the reason. So only Vestige always thinks from a distributor point of view. So company tells, don't worry. In next month also, you are eligible for Fast 8. We will give you the voucher for next month as well, right? But the condition is that you need to do new 282 actual PV, right? Sir, until when I can eligible? Sir, next month also I was not able to do like 282 PV. I did 100 PV. Third month, am I eligible for Fast 8? Third month also you are eligible for Fast 8 still. Until when, sir? Until the limit is 317 PV. 599 minus 282. It is equal to 317. If your total PV is below 317, you're eligible for Fast 8. Sir, if my total PV are already 317, you add 317 plus 282, that will become 599 PV. So already you are at 8% level. So at that moment, company will not give you the voucher. Why? Because you already become 8%. Getting out, guys? I hope you got it. So if your total PV in accumulated way is below 317, eligible for Fast 8 next month. If your total PV is equal to or more than 317 in the accumulated way, you are not eligible for Fast 8. Then you need to do your normal levels. Did you got this, guys? So what is the advantage of Fast 8 is actually rather doing 599 PV into 82 PV only, you're achieving 8% level by default. Getting not? I hope you got it now. In which case you'll get, in which case you will not get your Fast 8 when I'm eligible or I'm not eligible for next month. So 282 PV should be the new actual PV. Then only it will be considered for Fast 8. Double PV will not be considered. Double PV will be considered for the level increment. Fast 8 can be achieved in double PV. But to get voucher, actual PV value should be 282 PV. Then only you will get the voucher. Level so you can get very easily. But voucher is the main game. Yes or no? If you're not getting sensitive voucher, then company will give you the voucher only when you do actual 282 PV. Then you get the voucher of 750 rupees. Did you got this, guys? I think आपको बात समझ में आ चुकी है. What is Fast 8 and performance bonus, cashback, performance bonus, and Fast 8. If you have any doubts on Fast 8, now you can ask me. If anybody has any doubts on Fast 8, you can go ahead. You can just type a doubt. I did 200 PV, sir. Next month I did 2. No. Next month you need to do again 282 PV itself. New 282 PV. Only 82 PV will not work for Harishji. You need to do new 282 PV. Then only that will go ahead. So Afrozji has doubt. So let me go with Afrozji. Yaqubji can just unmute Afrozji and put on spotlight. So anybody else have doubt? All are telling all clear. So Pavesh, you also got clear. Faizan, you all clear. Okay. Other guys, if you have doubt, just type a doubt. We will unmute you and you can ask the doubt to us. If no doubts, we'll go on with the further topic called fast director. Right. After this comes the last topic called fast director. When I'm eligible fast director and what is the advantage of doing fast director? And then I'll be
Sir,
giving some small
Afroz, the
cases.
on.
Yeah, yes, Afroz, you go ahead. Yes. Yeah. Okay. That will be valid for 6 months. You can that company gives the validity more than 6 months. You can remit any point of time. Yeah, company gives a good warranty. Exactly. I need to just cross check that. I think 6 months is the actual 6 months or 9 months. Company gives you that validity of the voucher. The voucher validity will be minimum 6 months or 9 months. Okay. Let me just cross check and I'll give the exact thing. See, like Abhishek is telling 1 year. Maybe 1 year. Because my fast date became very long time now, so I forgot that. Almost like around 15 months back, I got my fast date. So I don't remember that actually. Right. So it's actually 1 year it seems. Abhishek is telling now, many people are telling, Pawan Kumar is telling, because they all have got the fast date voucher. So only they are able to give you the exact answer. I hope your doubt is clear, Afrozi. Thank you so much. Right. Next person, if anybody has any doubts, no, zero fine. So all clear now. Let's move on for the last topic for the day. It's called fast director. Sir, when can I eligible? Yes, so now I have to I just forgot to change this PVC in fast director. 1 second, guys. Let me just change of this PV. This fast director PV is not actually 7.5. It's actually 4500. Right, and the condition is not 20%. Actually 11% it is. And the PV should not be below 2.5K. It should actually be 1 second, guys. 4.5K, about 1000. It is just 1000. And here you can just add up here something called as 4.5K. Here you can have something called as 1000. The total PV will be 5500 PV. Yes, it is not 7.5K, it's actually 4.500. Double P consider level agree. Yeah, I hope you are able to understand this now. 1 second, let me just clear this. Yeah. Now I hope this is visible to you. Yes or no, guys? Now we have changed our that was actually old plan. Sir, how many sidelines we can do in our downline after fast 8? I didn't get this question. Okay, sir, how many sidelines we can do in our downline after fast 8? Sideline matlab, I told you minimum 3 legs and maximum 6 legs. You can do according to your requirement, 3 legs or 6 legs. Right. So what is fast director, guys? Now fast director is company is telling you when you see the slab to become 11%, what is required? 5500 PV required. There might be some people, they are very quick in the business, yes or no? They want to complete the data within a month. So company tells them, don't do 5500 PV, you can just do 4500 PV to become fast director. 4.5K PV is enough to give you the level of, directly the level of 11%. Yes or no? So if you do 4.5K, you get 11% directly. Yes or no? So what exactly happened? 4.5K PV in a month, you'll be getting not the level of 10%. You will actually get the level of 11% directly. And your business, your bronze director bonus also get activated. Why? Because you become a qualified director. Sir, until when can I depend on director? Sir, you can become fast director. Until when? If your PVs are below 1000. Yes or no? If your PVs are equal and above 1000, so by default, if you do 4500 PV, by default, that total itself will be 5500 PV. So by default, you are at 11%. Example, sir, my total PV is 500. So this month, if I do 4.5K, will I become 11%? But my total PV will be 5000 now, sir. But to become 11%, I should do 5500 PV. At that moment, company will reduce your 500 PV. Why? Because you become fast director. Company is reducing your 500 PV over there. Getting or not, guys? Sir, my total PV is 800, sir. Can I become fast director next month? Next month, you need not do 4.7K PV to become director. You can just do 4.5K to become director. Sir, my self this month PV is just like 300. Next month to become director, should I do 5,200 or 4.5K? 4.5K is enough to become director. I hope you got this now. When this fast director will happen? Yes or no? When your PVs are below 1,000 or when the people PVs are equal and above 1,000, by default, your PVs are crossing 5,500. So you'll be called as director itself. You'll be called as 11%. I hope you got this now. What is 5,000? So 4,500 should be the new PV in the current month. 4.5K should be the new PV in the current month. And the best part, double PV is also considered for fast 8. You can become a fast director in the double PV also. Last month, see, so many people become director, not by doing 4,500 PV. They just did 2,300 PV they did. And the PV became double, na? So by default, it became 4.5K. And they become director by default. Yes or no? Company gave na one login, 100 PV, 100 PV will come extra. Yes or no? So rather doing 4,500 PV, just do 2,200 PV, 2,000 PV, 2.2K will come extra, and yourself 100 PV over 4.5K done, you become fast director. So last month it was 22 logins, fast director. So only they said 8 neighbors, they said some rule there. 22, na, like 22 divided by 3, it will be 666. It was like 777 people. If you recommend to 7 relatives, 7 neighbors, and 7 friends, you become fast director by default. It was for last month, but now it is total 4.5K PE only because there's no double P for this month. So only many people achieve their levels in the last month itself, right? Because it was double PV. So whenever the double PV comes, you need to take the benefit of that. You should never let it go waste. You have to just take the benefit of that. So many people became the levels. So many people become bronze director, gold director, star director. So much of levels achieved. Even I became my UCD level by using the double PV cell. Yes or no? So we did less work, but we got the tag over there. Yes or no? So double PV, whenever it comes, take the benefit of that. Don't let it go waste. Yes or no? I hope now you got it. What exactly the fast director is? I explained you today: performance bonus, self cashback, and team defense income. Fast 8 and fast director. If you have any doubt, ask me now. If you have any doubts now, you can ask me regarding anything. So next double P when we don't know that. Company puts very randomly that there's no time for that. Yes, of course, Imranji, it's like this business is completely like a game, right? If you know to play the game, you can play the good game and you win. You can win a good game. Yes or no? But before playing the game, you should know how to play. You should know all the rules and regulations of the game. You should understand the game first. If you're not knowing the game, then you can never play the game. Yes or no? Right? Business is actually fun. Yes or no? Business is a game. खेलते वक्त fun दिखता है ना, उसी तरह से business करना एक fun होता है. मगर जिससे समझ में आएगा वही बनता, वो फन महसूस कर पाएगा. जिससे नहीं समझ में आएगा बोलेगा ये क्या भाई, गोले गोले डालना, यहाँ पे नंबर आ रहा है, क्या इतना सारा हेडेक है, नहीं मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा. Right? So that people will think it like a number of things. Yes or no? But the people knows that they will actually enjoy the business. Yes or no? Because you can decide the income here. Because it is your game, you play the game, you decide your income. So how you play, that you get back. Yes or no? Right. So I think anybody has any doubt, let me just cross check anybody has any doubts. So everybody's telling no doubts. So quickly guys, I'll be giving you some cases now. Now you will be calculating this and you will be giving me the right answer. Let me check how many people actually learn the business today. Yes or no? I'll be drawing some cases here and you can just tell me whether it is what exactly the calculations are. Yes or no? I'll be drawing the case here itself and you can just tell me now. Okay? Are you ready with this now? Are you ready to check? Sir, leg ki kitni limit hai? There is nothing called limit in the leg. You can open how much ever leg you want. Just to get levels, you can open that much leg. If you open 2 legs, gold director, 3 legs, star director, 4 legs, diamond, 6 leg, crown, 8 UCD, 12 leg DCD, 16 leg DUCD. Yes or no? That way. Right. So guys, I'll be like putting some cases now. You have to just tell me now how exactly I'll be drawing the cases. Even you can draw in your diary this one. Right, let me cross check how many people actually know the calculations today. Let me check. Right, I'll be drawing here. Let me make a dark paper so that it can be very visible to you. You are over here. Right, you did 100 PV shopping on a shelf, and you are having a legs of 3 legs. You're having exactly 3 legs, and the leg one did a PV of 200. Let me take this 1%. 200 PV did, and leg number 2 did around 282 PV, and leg number 3 did around like leg number 3 did around like 281 PV. So I want now what to calculate. First thing, calculate your level. What is your level and your teammate level? Second question, what is your self cashback? Okay. Third thing, what is the team differential income? Team PV income. Together, add this together called as a performance bonus income. Got it, guys? Together it is performance bonus. And fourth thing I want, fast state. Did you become fast state? And who will get the voucher? Right, who will get the voucher here? And who will get, how many people will get the voucher? And your time starts now. You can just, the screen is visible, calculate the income now. The question is live in front of your eyes now. Let me check how many people are able to calculate it. Imran is selling 412 rupees. Let me check how many people will have different answers. Let me cross check now. Meanwhile, I'll give you 30 seconds or 1 minute. You can cross check. Even let me also calculate the income here. Yes, let me check some questions. Let me see how many people are able to reply on. Let me check the cashback incomes, how much they are like saying me. Let me cross check. I want answer of 4 questions. Self, what is the level? Your level, right? And your self cashback income, your team PV income, total together is performance bonus income and fast trade. Who become fast trade and who will get the voucher here? You will get, whether your downline will get, who will get the voucher? Let me cross check now. Yeah, from here it starts. And Imran is telling 412 rupees income. Wrong. Sir, Imran telling level 8. That's right. Afrin is telling level 8. Perfect. Self level is 8. Perfect. Level 8. Sir, Jijan telling 8% level. Second leg 8%. Correct. Exactly. All right. So I get 7 rupees DP voucher. Okay. So the actual self cashback 144 rupees. Perfect. And downline also only 1. Okay. Let me check the total cashback income. See, Junaid is answering 8%. 2 will get the fast aid voucher. Okay, good. 259 PV income plus 144 cashback. Total it is how much? Archita is telling 504 rupees. Wrong. It's not 504 rupees. Guys, the actual answer is. Yes or no? Let me see who can put this. Yes, Pawanji is right. 250 rupees. 259 rupees will be the self team income, and 144 rupees will be the cashback, and the total together is 403 rupees. 403 rupees is the actual answer. Your cashback and together 403. Imran 1306. Wrong. Right. Maybe he had included the voucher as well. So now let me calculate you and show you how exactly it happens now. See here, guys. Level number can just judge here. He had done 200 PV, so by default he'll be at 5% level. He did 282 PV, so by default is fast 8. He's at 8% level. He did 281 PV. 1 PV was less, so by default he's at 5% level itself. He's not 8% because he didn't do 282. He did 281. 1 PV was less. And what's your level? So by default your total PV is 200 281, 280. So total it is like in the slab of 8% only. So 8% only is your level. Yes or no? No cashback income. Your level is 8%. Cashback, how can you calculate the cashback? Calculate cashback is 100 PV you did into 8% level into 18. Your cashback will be 144 rupees. And how can you calculate the team income? Team income can just add up the PVs. 200 plus 281 because 282 PV is not included. Why? Because 8 minus 8 is 0. So add together it is equal to 481 PV into 0.03 because difference is 8 minus 5 into 18. This will be around 259 rupees. So this add together is total it is 403 rupees. I hope you got this now. And who became fasted? This guy became fasted, and even you become fasted. Voucher, he will get 750 rupees voucher. Even you will get voucher. Why? Because you had side leg of 2822 and above. So by default, you both will get 750 rupees free voucher. So total income, if add up, is equal to 403 rupees plus 750 rupees voucher. Together, it is how much you earned actually. If I just calculate that together, how much we are actually able to earn? 403 into 403 plus 750. Income is 1153 is your net profit in this month by this calculations. I hope you got this now. Am I clear, guys? I just gave you the live calculations. I put up a case and I made you calculate that. So by this, I hope you learned it now. How to calculate fast rate and who will get voucher, who will not get voucher, sell PV and team difference income. I hope you got this now. So now from today onwards, I hope you are a trainer. Yes or no? From today onwards, if anybody asks you a question, I did 500 PV, how much income can I earn? You should be able to say him the right answer. You should be in a position to calculate and show then and there. Yes or no? Right. And you can put up more cases and you can cross check your performance bonus. And what you can do, the best homework is you can draw your structure on a sheet of paper of last month, whatever the structure was. Last month you draw a structure, write your last month PVs of your downlines and judge the levels and calculate your performance bonus check. And check your check on 10th of the month. What company is giving right or wrong? Because you should be knowing now whether company is giving me as the right income or wrong income. Yes or no? You might be deserving 1,000 rupees, but company gave you 500 rupees. How will you cross check that whether company gave you right or wrong? If you know the calculations well enough, you can cross check. If you yourself don't know the calculations, can you cross check that? Yes or no? तो जो मिलेगा लेके रख लोगे आप. Example, you want 100 rupees note. I gave you 10 rupees, but for you 100 rupees is you don't know to read the numbers. What is 100? What is 10? For 10 rupees also you might take and keep only. And you'll never ask me whether you got 10 rupees or 100 rupees. And what company does? Company does 99.99% accurate calculations. There is a probability of 0.01 to go wrong calculations also, because it is a computer system. Yes or no? Computers also will do some mistakes. Yes or no? Computer also will have error. So company tells if anything is an error in the check, you want 100. When you calculate it becomes 1,000 rupees, but we gave you 800 rupees. If 200 rupees is a difference, you tell us back. We will do the recalculations and we will give you the remaining 200 rupees. We don't want your money. We want your money to given to you only. Getting on? This option also company gives you. Company tells, yes, there might be a case. Our system might go wrong sometime. Yes or no? There might be some error. Yes or no? We agree with that. You calculate it. If it's coming wrong, give us a mail. We'll recalculate a check properly. Yes. If you feel yes, we went wrong, we will give you the difference money. What we gave you less. The difference money will be credited back to your account. So here, company giving us the option to take a deserving check, not to take whatever the company giving to us. So if you know the calculation, then only you can check the deserving check. Na? If you don't know the calculation, whether company jo diya leke rakh loge aap. Yes or no? So you should be knowing the calculation. Then only see this business is about. You should be knowing the calculations. Then only you can maintain your checks. Who knows that key? Right? This guy see, by doing one PV missing, he was not doing fast trade. He did one PV less and he lost 750 voucher. If this guy was knowing that they are one PV 30 rupees डालने से 750 rupees मिल सकते हैं तो क्यों ना डालो? Yes or no? But that person was not knowing about that. By buying one Assure soap, he can get 750 free voucher. Then why not to buy one? Yes or no? But he should be knowing about the calculations. Similar way, if you don't know the calculation, that's the reason why you will always miss your incomes. You'll always miss your income. So always you should be knowing the calculation so that you can earn your deserving check. Yes or no? So you should be expert in the calculations. Every month I calculate my check. Every month after it become first, second, I take all my PVs, I calculate my entire check and I check my check whether it is right or wrong. And I cross check my check. And since from last 15 months I'm calculating, not even a single time company went wrong. Company gave me the what I did, the same income has came to me. But there were some people in my team where sometimes company went wrong. They gave them 6,000 rupees, let's check. The moment he, since he was calculating the check, he was not calculating, then he might have missed out the check. He calculated, he told, sir, I'm losing 6,000 rupees check. Then he put a mail to company, then company recalculated his check. Then after recalculating, company told, yes, we are wrong. Then company gave him 6,000 rupees more. Why? Because he calculated. Then only he was able to get that. If he didn't calculate it, then how will he get to know his mistake? 99% there'll be no mistake from company side. Sometimes there might be some error because so many people are there in Vestige. So many company does closing on first, and they take 9 days of time to just do the calculations. Whether they don't have only one time, they at least do calculate for 2 to 3 times they calculate, and then they come to a actual result. So only they take at least 7 days of time to just to calculate the incomes, and then they display it. When you go to bank, if the bank person giving you the money, will you just calculate once and will you keep, or will you not calculate 1 or 2 times more? Yes or no? Even the bank person before giving also, he also will cross check 2 times. Then he will be giving. Similarly, you need to cross check your checks, and that you should be knowing it. Yes or no, guys? Right. I hope you guys are getting it. If you want to make it easier, I hope there's one app which helps you out in calculating your checks. You can cross check with that. Let me show you what exactly the app is. एक ऐप आता है जहाँ पे आप लोग अपना चेक आप देख सकते हो. That app is this one, Vestige Income Calculator. आत्मनिर्भर. जैसे बोलते हैं ना, इंडिया में सब जुगाड़ चलता है इंडिया में, ऐसा नो. Right. You can just calculate a check. This example, I put income calculator here. New tree. I'm drawing a new tree. What is your position? I'm at a position of 8%. Let me check that. Now you can draw this graph. I have 3 legs now. Let me open 1 leg. No, I'm at 8%. 1 leg. Open 1 leg, 2 leg, 3 leg. I open how many legs? I open 3 leg. Let me draw the same structure. What I discussed you here. Let me cross check whether the calculations are coming exactly right or wrong. Getting it out, guys? So ऐसा भी आप अपने आप calculator check कर सकते हो आप, ठीक है? So 3 legs are there. How much PV this people did? Leg number 1 did PV of 200. Okay. Yes or no, guys? Leg 1 did 200 PV. Leg 2 did 282 PV. Leg 3 did how much? 281 PV. Yes or no? And he became right. So this is the levels now. He's at 8% now, and your sell PV is 100. I'm just giving you a demo how exactly to this how the company also calculate the checks in a system and in a software way. Now I drawed my level now. Yes or no? So what should I do? Here it is. Okay. Now my levels are ready. Just click on total income. Calculations will come here. What is that? 403 rupees. Understood, right? I hope you got the right answer. 4.403.74. Right. ऐसा होता है आपने. बस समझ आ रही है आपको? Like this, I can calculate my director bonus, business building bonus, LOB, car fund, trial fund, elite bonus, scheme fund. सबका जुगाड़ है इंडिया में. ऐसा होना. सब आप लोग घर बैठे बैठे आपको खाली स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ करना है, पीवी एंटर करना है, टोटल इनकम अपने आप कैलकुलेट कर देगा आपके लिए. Getting not. This is easy work. Did you got this? Yes or no? This is the apps that ads keep coming up. Right. So I hope you got this now. Right. You can load your tree. Example, if you had an old trees, you have already saved your example old tree. Old tree, there are no save structure. If I save my structure, that will be always saved like that only, so that I can add up the names and I can get this done. The app name is, you can see here, the app name is 1 second. The app का नाम क्या है? ये app का here I can save my structure examples here. They're telling me save. I can save, and they're also asking me double PV, actual PV. What? I can even send it to WhatsApp to somebody else. I can share my income to somebody else to WhatsApp the drawing of structure. Yes or no? And all these things you got is there. Okay. And the name of the app is it's called as Vestige Income Calculator, and this is the icon. Business plan दिखा रहा है Vestige Income Calculator it is. I hope you got this. What exactly the app is? Yes or no, guys? बस समझ आ गया आप लोगों को? So if I hope the meeting was right. So now from today onwards, everybody knows what is performance bonus, how to calculate that, fast date, how to calculate fast date, when they'll get voucher, when they'll not get voucher, pass the letter. I think सब लोगों को आज clarity मिल चुकी है, and आज के बाद किसी को भी doubt नहीं रहेगा कि what exactly fast date, what exactly voucher, what exactly thing. So you'll never like cross question with anybody. Sir मेरे deserving था मैं मिला नहीं, because आपको levels पता होना चाहिए, as simple as that. So some people accept they'll get voucher, but they don't get voucher, and they become demotivated. Sir, I was expecting, I was not getting. By expecting, you will not get. What is the real structure? Based on that only, you'll get the voucher. Yes or no, guys? बस समझ आ रही है आपको? So all the very best. So you can calculate your own checks for the month and cross check on 10th of the month, and you can learn the calculations from now only. Keep learning the calculations so that you'll be right way in month end. You can see what is my structure, what is happening. Based on that, you can get your work done. Getting on, guys. So all the very best. Thank you so much for being a part of it. Tomorrow, 6th day, we're gonna come back with new training again. 6th day. So tomorrow I'll be taking a meeting called as New Beginners Meeting tomorrow, right at 7 p.m. Right at 7 p.m. I'll be having a New Beginners Meeting where 1,000 people are gonna join in that session. Yes or no? From today onwards, we have launched a new training system from Monday. Every day there'll be meetings over there. 1 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 7 o'clock. And my meeting will be there at 9 p.m. every day. Yes or no? This is only for the trainers. 1 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 7 o'clock is an open to all training meeting where 1,000 people can join in the session. And we have so many different trainers will come up in that. There'll be daily CNT meeting, there'll be daily new beginners meeting, and there'll be daily a training meeting. Let it be healthcare, let it be air purifier, let it be water purifier, let it be different ways. They will be at 3 different meetings. CNT and new beginners is confirmed for every day, because so many people are joining every day. So we can just put them in the new beginners meeting, so at least they can learn something from the new beginners meeting, so that they become right way, right? So utilize all the sessions. Don't let the sessions go waste. Yes or no? Put your people in 1 o'clock meeting, 4 o'clock meeting, 7 o'clock meeting every day. And 9 o'clock meeting, you come, you get trained, and start training the team personally. And your upliners are going to cross check whether you're actually learning or not. So you need to give a proper mocks to your upliners, and your upliners are going to cross check whether you're learning or not. If you're not learning properly, then you're not actually becoming a trainer. Getting on, guys. Okay. So all the very best. And also one more thing, do promotions. Whatever the meeting today we are taking, whenever you come for the meeting, take a video of like I've been seeing Afrin takes the video every time and she puts on Instagram. Similarly, put on a status, put on Instagram. By this, you generate leads. You generate leads on this. Where some people will see you. People will ask you, what is this? Karke, yes or no? Or some people might be following you from last 1 month. By seeing this, they might ask you, what are you doing actually? I've been seeing you from last 1 month. You're putting status, this, that, what are you actually doing? They might ask you from a friend. That is how we do prospecting online now. That's called lead generation. So promotion should be very high. Whenever you come for any meeting, do take any pictures, and promote it up. And how quality promotion you do, that much people will, that much views will increase. Yes or no? So quality, start doing promotion. Whenever you come for meeting, do always the promotion. Very important. Instagram is there, Facebook is there, your WhatsApp status is there, group promotions are there. Do it more so that people can feel it. Yes, man, we are learning, we're active, we are learning so many things. Yes or no? So I hope you'll follow this. Okay. We have a topic on promotions as well, where I'll be teaching you in detail about why promotion, how to make that, which app to use to make a poster, everything I'm going to teach you in detail. Because I'm training the trainers, I want the trainers to be experts so that they can train anybody in the front. If anybody asks them question, they should be in a position to answer them. So today I thought this, tomorrow I'll be coming up with a new topic, and simultaneously 30 days in that we cover the entire history of the business. So that after 30 days, you are the pro. Anybody has any question, you'll be in a position to answer them. Yes or no, guys? Thank you so much. All the best. Wish you well.